Ensalada de Coditos is simply the Puerto Rican version of macaroni salad, but this macaroni salad is so flavorful and full of so many yummy goodies. It is a staple in any Puerto Rican activity, whether it be a wedding, a birthday, a holiday meal. Anywhere you go where there is a festivity happening, the macaroni salad is sure to be there. For our ensalada de coditos or macaroni salad, these are all the ingredients that we are going to be using. You can adjust these to your liking. I'm going to have 3 hard-boiled eggs. You can use only a couple if you'd like, or you can omit them altogether. I personally enjoy the taste of them in my macaroni salad, so I will be using them today. I also have some diced ham. You can just buy the ham steak and dice it yourself, but I am going the super easy route today and save myself some time of chopping. It already comes chopped and it's 8 ounces, so it's the perfect amount. A red onion, I'm only going to be using about 1/4 cup of the red onion. I prefer the red onion over the white onion because I feel like the taste is much better when it comes to having it in a salad. Next, I have some pimientos morrones, or just pimientos. And for this, I'm going to only be using about a couple tablespoons of these. You can use these also when you are serving your salad, just to do a nice presentation with them. I prefer adding these instead of the fresh ones, just because the texture in the macaroni salad is so much better. I'm going to be using some minced garlic, only about a teaspoon of it. I have a little bit of vinegar. I like to have a little bit of acidity in my salad, so I'll be using about 1 cap of vinegar. I'm making mine gluten-free so that I can partake in this salad. You don't have to use gluten-free, you can just use regular noodles. I personally love the Barilla gluten-free noodles. This one brings 12 ounces, so it brings a little bit less than the regular one, but you can keep the same measurements for your regular one as well. A little bit of salt to taste. I salt the noodles as well while they're being cooked, but you can add more to the mix depending on how you like it. About 1 cup of mayo, 1 little teaspoon of black pepper. I love using oregano altogether, so I'm going to be using about 1 teaspoon of it, and about 1 tablespoon of the mustard. First, I'm going to start by cooking the macaroni noodles. I like to add a little bit of salt onto the water, and when the water is boiling, I go ahead and add in my noodles. I like to make my gluten-free noodles al dente because if not, they tend to fall apart a little bit. So al dente is about 7 to 8 minutes. However, if you're using regular noodles, you don't have to be super picky about the time. While our noodles are cooking, I'm coming on over here to prepare the rest of my salad. I'm going to start by cutting up my 3 hard-boiled eggs. I'm simply going to be using a fork to mash them all up together, and that usually does the job. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add all of the rest of the ingredients into the bowl and mix everything together very, very well. I like mixing in all the ingredients before adding in any of the noodles, just because it evenly mixes everything, and it also makes it so much easier to evenly distribute everything with the noodles. If you are enjoying this recipe, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share it with other people. I really do appreciate having you here, and if you have any other recipe requests, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. Finally, once the noodles are done, I am putting them inside the bowl, and with a spatula, I am simply mixing everything in together. I'm going from the bottom up to get that salad mixed in there until all of my noodles are evenly coated. Once everything is evenly distributed, I went ahead and gave it a taste to see if it needed any adjustment with salt or any more mayo. I did add a little bit more salt and a little bit more pepper and another tablespoon of mayo. I just love the macaroni salad to be really creamy, and I also like it to have a nice taste to it. Finally, I garnished it in the top with some leftover pimientos morrones just to give it a nice appearance to it. You can go ahead and add parsley on the top, whatever you want to make this side dish just look extra appetizing and more presentable. This macaroni salad pairs up perfectly with arroz con gandules and pernil. So make sure to go ahead and click on these next two videos to check out those recipes. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!